We all want to be successful in life. What's more, we all want to be a proud owner of a lucrative business, a luxurious car, a beautiful home, and so on. As humans, we all have a long list of aspirations and goals that we hope to achieve in this life. Some people take shortcuts to get there, which more often than not lands them in prison. Things do not happen overnight for the majority of us. Whatever your circumstances, you still have to put in the effort to succeed. Taking this route is hardly a walk in the park. There is a good chance that you will not be able to take shortcuts or skip steps in the process. There is no elevator to success, you have to climb the stairs, states a well-known quote. You must be willing to put in the effort if you want to achieve anything of value in life. Everyone, including you, has the ability to become wealthy. The abilities people choose to develop over the course of a lifetime are what differentiates individuals who attain huge amounts of wealth from those who do not. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fascinating Self. In this episode, we will share the 7 skills that will make you a millionaire. Stay with us to the end of the video and you will find out that you have been ignoring crucial skills that have been at your disposal for so long. Hey fascinating people, if you like this video, hit the like button and comment I subscribe so that everyone can see who's the most fascinating action taker here. Without further ado, let's get started. Skill number 1, time management. I will bet money on the fact that at some point in your life, you have pondered the following query. How do billionaires manage to get far more accomplished with so little time and energy? The most productive people have a singular concentration on tasks that yield results, and then they undertake as many of those activities as they possibly can. Instead of basing their pay on how busy they are or how many emails they answer in an hour, billionaires only get paid when the results of their efforts produce income. Rich people's days do not begin or end at the set hour. Rather, they conclude when they accomplish all of their daily objectives. For them, there is always something else to do or another phone call to make. Many individuals complain about their lack of financial success because they spend so much time watching soccer or playing Monopoly, despite the fact that time is, without a question, our most valuable resource. The reality is that the rich are extremely efficient with their time. In order to get the most out of every minute of your life, you need to employ a variety of time management skills. Skill number 2, ability to identify opportunities. There are opportunities all around us, whether we recognize them or not, and those who can find and seize them are the ones who are most likely to become wealthy. Many individuals mistakenly feel that the ability to recognize opportunities is something that is innate, but this is not the case. Finding a business opportunity that is perfect for you is a major challenge for any aspiring entrepreneur. Should a new startup put its attention on creating a new product or service that fills a demand that is not currently being satisfied? Should the business endeavor choose a product or service that already exists in one area and then sell it in another market where it might not be available? Individuals have access to a vast number of different resources that can lead them to new business prospects. Any company idea that involves finding areas of inefficiency in the market, devising a plan to address those inefficiencies, and assembling the necessary resources and capabilities to do so could go a long way in creating more wealth for you. Always cultivate an inquisitive mind and you may end up identifying opportunities people have sat on for a long time. Skill number 3, ability to sell. The Wolf of Wall Street, an award-winning film, demonstrates why selling is so important. If you want to be rich like Jordan Belfort, but in a legitimate way, you should have at least half of his smart salesperson skills. Even if you do not plan on making money or having your ideas go viral, it is still necessary to have strong sales skills. It is crucial to focus on sales since it provides value to customers before they know it. When you are in front of a customer, you need to ask a series of strong questions to make it clear to them that your selling is all about helping them, no matter who they are. Sales, they say, is not for everyone. However, it appears like everyone is in the business of selling something. The problem is that we do not wish to be sold something. Rather, we wish to purchase something. As a result, it is more psychological than a factual phenomenon. You will earn a great deal of self-assurance in your career as a salesperson if you are able to persuade them of the perceived worth in your goods and services that you offer. Skill number 4, setting smart goals. Many people have a sense of being lost in the universe. These people put in a lot of effort without getting much in return. They have not spent enough time considering what they want out of life, and they have not given themselves any formal goals to work toward, which is one of the primary reasons why they have this outlook on things. So why embark on a big trip with no specific objective in mind? Most likely not. A goal must be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound in order to be smart. As a result of this method, there is no room for generalizations or guessing, and it is easy to evaluate progress and detect unmet goals. If you are a realtor, you can set a financial goal of selling 15 properties in a year in order to boost your savings by $40,000 utilizing the SMART goal structure. When combined with other millionaire goal-setting secrets, having a solid goal that meets all of the criteria of a SMART framework dramatically increases your chances of success. Skill number 5, emotional intelligence. A person's or a company's emotional quotient, or EQ, commonly referred to as emotional intelligence, is a critical component in determining success. It is often considered to have a significant impact on an individual's ability to perform well in the workplace, as well as on how they perceive themselves and others. Many people believe that IQ is critical if you want to become wealthy or successful. In point of fact, it could be an advantage to have a high IQ, but it's not the most important. Emotional intelligence is not the same as being emotional. Rather, it is a condition of emotional control and management based on your surroundings and circumstances. People who are able to recognize their own strengths and weaknesses, as well as those of those around them, are in a far better position to form meaningful connections with coworkers and future customers or clients. Emotional intelligence, or EQ, is now widely accepted as a business necessity. EQ appears to be used as an aptitude test by over 60% of the world's largest corporations, according to research. A future millionaire needs this ability, thus learning how to develop it now is a must. Skill number 6, financial discipline. Money is a powerful instrument that can help you reach your objectives. It can create a sense of security for your family, help you prepare for the future, and allow you to save for significant milestones. However, in order to accomplish these goals, you must know how to put your money to work for you. Rich individuals, on the other hand, find new methods to get more done with less, and they give their staff the freedom and authority to succeed on their behalf. You must learn how to effectively manage your finances if you want to be the kind of person who builds wealth by investing it in the acquisition of more wealth. You cannot be rich if you do not know how to manage your money. Because of this, the wealthy devote considerable time and effort to refining their financial management skills. Budgeting is the quickest and most straightforward method for developing sound financial habits. Budgeting is all about making sure you never spend money more than you bring in. Creating a budget involves assigning each dollar you earn to a spending category. In addition, if you are saddled with debt, your journey to financial discipline will be incomplete. That means that your money is no longer working for you, but rather is being used to pay the interest on your debt. It puts a strain on your finances and restricts your freedom of choice. To put it another way, paying off debt frees up your money, allowing you to spend it on the things that are most essential to you. You can use the money for a variety of things, like paying off debt, investing for a child's education, building an emergency fund, or going on a vacation. If you have the ability to create your own business, you can begin investing it, which will allow you to increase your net worth and establish a more secure financial position. Skill number 7, networking. Professional networking, which is different from computer networking, generally occurs in more casual situations. Networking can take place in a variety of settings, including conferences, the workplace, and professional organizations. I will let you in on a little secret. Charity is the most common activity among wealthy people. Even if you do not have much, you can donate your time to charitable causes when you have free time. You might not end up talking to Jeff Bezos or Bill Gates, but you will have the opportunity to talk to other millionaires. Who knows, maybe this will end up being the way that you secure investment for your startup. It is a well-known fact that practicing a skill alongside someone who is better than you will help you develop it. Let us use tennis or soccer as an example. It is true that you will have to put in more time and effort to be great in either. A lot of sweat and painful muscles, but with practice and repetition, your skills will grow to the point where you could even consider teaching others. You can apply this concept to your personal and professional success as well. And that is why it is so critical that you surround yourself with people who are winners too. That is it for today, folks. Which are some skills that have made you successful in your career? Share with us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, click on the notification bell, and if you are not subscribed to our channel yet, consider subscribing. See you in the next one!